Pastor Kelly and I need your help to be able to do a parade and to be as excited as they were about Jesus coming to be able to save us. Can you help us with that? Okay, tired people. Can you help us with that? Yeah! That's much better. Okay, let's go back here. Let's all get a palm. And all of your parents and friends are going to be so excited for our parade.
So congregation, you may remain seated, but if you would like your hymnals, it's number 278. We're going to be singing Hosanna, Loud Hosanna.